Good morning, children. Today we are going to see second lesson in social. The lesson name is Physical Features of Tamil Nadu. I am proud to take this lesson because we are living in Tamil Nadu. For example, if we are in family, we will know about all our family, friends and relationships and all their character, behavior, everything, right? So now we are living in Tamil Nadu. So it's our duty to know about all the mountains, plateau, physical features of our Tamil Nadu. Okay, children, first we go to the first topic. Our state, Tamil Nadu is located in south of India. It is the 11th largest state in India. So, it's located in southern part. See, it's a north, west, east and south. Our Tamil Nadu located in southern part of India. And our Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state. So, these are the important questions and important points to remember for you. Okay. Next, it shares the boundaries. Boundaries means there is our end of our Tamil Nadu. See, first northern side, right? Northern side, what is there? Andhra Pradesh. And northwest. This is a northwest. What is this? Karnataka. And southern part. What is this? Kerala. It's on the western side. Next, eastern side is a Bay of Bengal. That is a sea. And our Tamil Nadu extends to Kanyakumari. This is a tip of the end of our Tamil Nadu. This Kanyakumari covers the Bay of Bengal Sea, Indian Ocean Sea and Arabian Sea. See, the Kanyakumari is connected with 3 seas and 1 Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal Sea and Indian Ocean. Okay. First, this is a one more end. There is a northern end of our Tamil Nadu. There is a Pulicat. You all know Palaverkadu, I think so. This is also a famous beach and there is a lake called a Pulicat Lake. It's situated in the northern end of our Tamil Nadu. So, this is now we saw the boundaries of our Tamil Nadu. What are the boundaries? On the northern side, northwest, west and eastern side. So, we'll learn about the boundaries and what is in the tip of the northern end, Pulicat. What is in the south end? That is Kanyakumari. Important fact. Tamil Nadu had a 32 district. Recently, the government announced three more districts. That is Kallakurichi, Chengalpet and Tenkasi. This all a small place. Now the people are getting to metro cities. So they announced as because these districts are developing cities due to the population whatever. So they announced as a separate district. Kallakurichi, Chengalpet and Tenkasi. So 32 and plus 3, 35. Next, Madras Presidency is called as a Tamil Nadu. Madras Presidency means this is connected with our olden Tamil Nadu. It's connected with Andhra Pradesh and above that Andhra there is a Odisha, Karnataka, Kerala. So connecting these other states also, our state is called as a Madras Presidency. It's called as a Tamil Nadu compressed. That is, its extent. Our Madras is extends to Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra and Odisha. Called as Madras Presidency called as Tamil Nadu compressed of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha. Later in 1953, Telugu speaking region split. So these people will speak a Telugu. So they split into Andhra. They'll speak a Kannadam. So they split as a Karnataka. They'll speak Malayalam. So they split it as a Kerala. So in our Tamil Nadu, they'll speak only the Tamil. So we'll see the second topic, landscape of Tamil Nadu. Landscape means dividing a 4 categories. In our Tamil Nadu, there are many regions, different regions like mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. Coast is nothing but the border with a mountain ranges and mountain plateaus, plains. So these are the different regions, the landscape of our Tamil Nadu. And important point for your test, second term test, I told you conducting on 19th and 12th, right? You should buy Tamil Nadu map. So today if you have time or tomorrow, buy it and keep it with you. On test I'll conduct a map on it. Okay, first we look to the mountain. Okay, it's time's running out. I'll finish up to this. Later we'll talk learn about the mountains and plateaus. Okay children, thank you, bye.